Hi, this is day one of the design challenge, and yep, let's get going. Okay, so recently I've been on a roll with making my own figures. Like, these are some toys that I made, and I figured what better way to start off my self-made challenge than to go with something that I'm really excited about. So yeah, I'll be going with the toys. What toy do I start with? Well, I don't know if you've seen this very crazy and chubby and lively creature in the past few weeks, but I sure have.
She's quickly become an internet sensation. These days, MOODENG, the baby pygmy hippopotamus, seems to be everywhere.
So, it's MOODENG. I think I've seen so much like poses and photos and everything that I thought this would be a nice idea to turn into a blind box. So yeah, I think I'll be going with that. I'll be making a MOODENG toy figure and I'll see where we can go from there. Let's go.
Guys, hindi niyo ba nakikita yan? Can you see it? Can you see it?
It's a beautiful day to make. Don't you see it?
What the dog doing?
Ay. Hi, hello, I'm back, and first of all, if you reach this point of the video, I'd like to thank you for hanging around and maybe finding my process interesting or something. So I hope you picked something up on how it's like to be able to design and make things on your own. So yeah, as for this little girl, I think I did a great job in modeling it, and it turned pretty well sa 3D print since it's really cute. Look at that. It has like the grass bunch sa likod niya and all these humps and curves. So yeah, for the experience, I would say that it's been interesting, tiring for the most part, since it's a whole new ball game for me, adding to the process, documentation and video editing, like looking for interesting shots, thinking of ideas of how to tell a story and everything. So I definitely would try again, and if you found it interesting or something, just let me know. And yeah, for the next projects though, I would say that I might do some different style of content or documentation, something not as taxing as this one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and seeing MOODENG from sketch to finish, and I hope to see you in the next videos. So definitely doing some more. So yeah, thank you.